Okay, now I'm going to take some the other way, but I'm not going to overlap those, so I can probably get another strip out of this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start in the middle here, right here, and come down. And that's not a straight cut. See how it's angled? So I need to just make sure that's straight. Bring it over, line it up with that one. And bring that down. Cut. So there's going to be one here and one here. And then same on the opposite side there. So the opposite side looks like I'll have to cut it, roll out another piece of fondant and cut. One thing you want to be careful with the red fondant going onto the lighter fondant, if you put it in the wrong place and try to move it, it's probably going to leave a red stain where it was. So just keep that in mind. That's why on the first ones I just put the fondant on without the water for the placement so that I didn't mess up the cake. Alrighty. Okay, just tucking those underneath there. All the stripes, those stripes are on. Now this is a darker pink, and this is an herb mincer, one of my favorite tools. You push it down and you pull, and then it makes perfect strips. Cut one end, and then I have these little strips like this. And then what I'm going to do is in between here, I'm going to take it and make little strips. So I'm going to do in between the reds. So that means I also need long ones that go down that center. The only thing that's a little different are the sides, the corners I should say. Okay, so that would be here, and then I'll show you the corner. So I can probably get most things out of this piece that I have here. Okay, again tucking those under. Okay, so when you get to the corner here, I like to take one this way. And then from this line down, so like in the middle of this. But it doesn't matter, you can really do whatever you want. It's just supposed to be gift wrap, so just giving you ideas. Okay, so I'll continue doing that. One right down the middle here, and we'll be ready to move on to the next layer.